For the launch of the B550 series chipset, we'll be offering 3 different series of motherboards: our PRIME series, our TUF Gaming series, and our ROG STRIX series of motherboards. Across all 3 of these series, you're going to have access to next generation technologies like support for PCI Express Gen 4, which is going to be fantastic for those high-speed PCI-based SSDs, as well as the next generation of graphics cards. You're also going to, of course, have full support for Ryzen 3000 series processors. And that's going to include, of course, that flexibility and functionality to not only take advantage of those high number of cores, but also take advantage of the overclocking capabilities that is afforded through Ryzen's CPUs. These boards also complement the memory controller that's in these new Ryzen 3000 series CPUs by offering high-speed DDR4 memory support, including easily offering speeds in excess of 3600 MHz. You're also going to benefit from that these motherboards offer the latest generation of USB connectivity with USB 3.2. And last but not least, you're also going to have on select models improvements in terms of networking feature set, and that's going to include both wired and wireless connectivity, with select models coming with Wi-Fi 6 on board, as well as the new 2.5 gigabit standard, offering 2.5 times the speed of traditional 1 gigabit Ethernet connectivity. With these next generation motherboards, you can feel confident that as always, you're going to get a motherboard that's going to offer stable and reliable operation. This is something that ASUS motherboards are definitely known for. Furthermore, you can also feel confident in the quality of our UEFI BIOS, which is really at the heart of driving, along with quality hardware design, the interoperability, compatibility, and performance of a motherboard, and are really important to ultimately giving you a great PC DIY experience. So first, let's talk about our PRIME series of motherboards. This is a great foundational series of motherboards, especially for those of you that are just looking for a turnkey experience where you're focusing on having a stable and reliable system, looking to drop in your compatible components and have a good quality PC DIY experience. For the PRIME series, we'll be offering 4 different models, including an ATX and microATX based version. And on the microATX Wi-Fi version, you'll have access to the latest generation Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. While these series of boards are not targeted at overclocking, you can feel confident they'll provide you a great stock level of performance. In addition to this, they're also really well suited to those that are looking for general types of usage, whether that's going to be advanced productivity, science and simulation, content creation, whether that be video editing or photo editing, as well as also looking actually for a gaming system, but looking for maybe a little bit of a different stylized aesthetic, as the PCB features white accents. Moving from PRIME into our gaming series, let's talk about the TUF Gaming series of motherboards. TUF Gaming is our entry into ASUS gaming-centric motherboards, and that means that we focus on introducing features and functions that are going to be beneficial to gamers, as well as also offering a more stylized aesthetic that complements the look and feel that a lot of gamers are looking for when it comes to building a system. TUF Gaming boards feature a lower price point, but at the same time still offer a great quality in terms of their overall design and a very solid feature set for gaming enthusiasts. So taking a closer look at the range of boards that we're going to be offering, we all have 4 models. 2 models without Wi-Fi and 2 models with Wi-Fi. Under these series, you're also going to get the benefit of introducing support for 2.5 gigabit LAN support alongside Wi-Fi 6 on select models. The TUF series boards feature a distinctive stylized aesthetic that's predominantly monochrome and really don't contend or compete with the colors that you might look to define within your build. They're going to feature enlarged VRM heatsinks, which help to offer cool and reliable operation under load. And they feature digital power designs, which are actually backed by high quality power stages. These high quality power stages are helped to afford sufficient power is driven to the CPU, whether you're talking about stock or overclocked configurations. The range of TUF Gaming boards are going to be a really great option for those of you that are looking to pair a motherboard with, let's say, a Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 series based processor. Now, in addition to the support for Wi-Fi 6 as well as 2.5 gigabit LAN, you're also going to have TUF Gaming audio on these motherboards. This is implemented utilizing the S1200 audio codec alongside our fully isolated audio design, which means that we isolate the audio from the rest of the motherboard, helping to improve the overall tonality, clarity, and performance of the audio codec. You're also going to have a DTS audio suite, which allows you to go ahead and customize the experience, whether it's going to be music, videos, or games. In addition to the DTS Audio Suite, you're also going to have the Turbo LAN Suite. This suite of software is going to allow you to have access to be able to go ahead and control and prioritize your games as well as network-centric applications. This helps to ensure that your applications are getting the lowest latency and the overall best performance possible, especially if you're going to be running multiple applications at the same time that are going to actively utilizing your network connection. These are just some of the ways that TUF Gaming boards help to provide a better experience for PC DIY gamers. Last but not least, with a TUF Gaming motherboard, of course you might be interested in RGB, and here you're not only going to have RGB on the motherboard, but you'll also have RGB headers, which fully support ASUS Aura Sync and configuration and control through the ASUS Armoury Crate software. In addition to this, we also fully support not only ASUS compatible products, such as our range of chassis, coolers, and power supplies, but you're also going to have full support for the TUF Gaming Alliance of products. This is a wide range of products that are designed very closely to not only be mechanically compatible with our TUF Gaming series of products, but also complement their design aesthetic. Now, moving on from TUF Gaming, let's talk about our flagship series of motherboards, the ROG STRIX series. These boards are purpose-built for those demanding enthusiasts in the PC and DIY community, and they're going to offer ROG-derived features and functions which really help to elevate the experience of your PC DIY build. In every respect, the ROG STRIX series of motherboards are going to offer a superior experience compared to our TUF Gaming boards, featuring more advanced power delivery designs, larger, more robust heatsink solutions, more specialized features, and continued improvements to audio networking technologies, as well as a whole nother level of aesthetic design to really take the look and feel of your system to the next level. With the ROG STRIX series of motherboards, you can feel confident that whether you're running stock or overclocked, and whether you're running a Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, or Ryzen 9 based processor, you're going to have a great experience. These boards feature even higher performing VRM designs with a higher number of power stages, as well as larger and more robust VRM heatsinks. Now, just like the TUF Gaming series, the heatsinks here have also been implemented with what's called a dual contact design, helping to add additional levels of heat dissipation, not only from the power stages, but also from the inductors. When you pair this with the exclusive OptiMem 2 memory design that allows for higher frequencies at tighter timings to be reached in relation to DDR4 overclocking, you can really see how you can take your Ryzen performance to the next level. On the majority of the STRIX series boards, you're also going to get premium set of features, such as an integrated I/O shield, which just makes the installation process that much more streamlined, and will also help to reduce ESD and EMI, helping to provide a safer experience for your system. Alongside the upgraded VRM and premium features like the integrated I/O shield, you're also going to get improvements to audio and networking. On the networking side, all the motherboards are going to be featuring Intel's highest performing 2.5 gigabit Ethernet controller, which offers really impressive UDP packet performance, which is especially critical in online games. In addition to that, you move up from TurboLand software to ROG exclusive GameFirst 6 packet priority software, which offers significantly more advanced automatic detection of games, so that the moment that you launch your game, it will automatically access a database and help to prioritize that game or that application to make sure that you're getting the best experience possible. Now, in addition to 2.5 gigabit Intel LAN, you also have Intel's latest generation Wi-Fi 6 built on board. And Wi-Fi 6 also can fully take advantage of GameFirst 6 packet priority software, allowing you to go ahead and optimize and prioritize the experience for wired or wireless connections. Now, when it comes to audio, the ROG STRIX series sees an upgrade with the inclusion of SupremeFX, which still features a fully isolated audio design, the S21220 audio codec, as well as dual operational amplifiers to go ahead and punch up the overall volume range and add more dynamics to the overall soundstage. In addition to the hardware, you also have the Sonic Studio 3 audio suite. This allows you to go ahead and customize the audio experience for your games or for your applications with the independent presets or customizations, ultimately helping you to provide a more immersive and detailed experience just the way you want it. Beyond this, you're also going to have options for virtual surround, as well as for post-processing for incoming and outgoing audio. And new for this generation, we have ASUS AI noise canceling to significantly improve the quality of your voice, especially amongst noisier environments. Now, just like the TUF Gaming series, the STRIX series has you covered when it comes to RGB lighting. The motherboards themselves will feature integrated onboard lighting, but also offer you RGB headers, both 5 volt and 12 volt headers. Great for, of course, all the different types of devices that you want to connect with. You're talking about LED strips, fans, coolers, chassis with LED lighting, or the wide range of ASUS Aura accessories that are available on the market. As always, you have full control to be able to go ahead and individually control these items or synchronize them utilizing ASUS Aura Sync, which is available to you in the Armoury Crate software, as well as through our newest Aura Creator software. In total, for the ROG STRIX series of motherboards, there'll be 5 different models that are going to be offered, with the highest end model being the B550-E, followed up by the B550-F in a Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi version, as well as the brand new B550-A. The Dash A is also going to offer an entirely different design aesthetic, as it's going to feature white and silver accents, which also perfectly complement the latest generation of ROG STRIX hardware, which is going to be offered in our coolers, power supplies, chassis, and many other products. Last but not least, we also have you covered when it comes to small form factor gaming with the B550-i gaming. So that wraps up our quick overview on ASUS's latest generation of B550 series motherboards. If you have any questions or comments or feedback, make sure to go ahead and drop it in the comment section down below. While you're down there, you'll also find a link to our PC DIY Facebook group. This is a recently launched group which gives you insights into the wide range of ASUS hardware, as well as tips and tricks on how to get the best performance possible, as well as upcoming streams and previews on a wide range of ASUS hardware. You can also feel free to ask questions regarding recommendations for your next gaming build. So with that, make sure to go ahead and drop us a like and subscribe, and as always, take care, take it easy, and enjoy the rest of your day.